Epson DS-530 Review, Pros and Cons. The Epson DS-530 is a document scanner designed for efficient and high-quality document scanning. Here's a brief review of its key features. 1. Scanning performance asterisk. The DS-530 offers impressive scanning speeds, making it suitable for businesses and offices with high-volume scanning needs. It supports duplex scanning, allowing you to scan both sides of a document simultaneously. 2. Document handling asterisk. It comes with a robust automatic document feeder, ADF, with a decent capacity, reducing the need for manual intervention during large scanning tasks. The adjustable paper feed allows for versatile document sizes, accommodating various types of documents. 3. Image quality asterisk. The scanner provides good image quality with a high resolution, ensuring that and detail. 4. Connectivity asterisk. The DS-530 typically offers various connectivity options, including USB and network connectivity, providing flexibility in how you connect and use the scanner. 5. Software integration asterisk. Epson usually provides useful software for document management and OCR, optical character recognition, enhancing the overall scanning experience. 6. Reliability asterisk. Epson scanners are generally known for their reliability and durability. The DS-530 is built to handle regular and demanding scanning tasks. 7. Ease of use asterisk. The user interface is often intuitive, making it easy for users to operate the scanner without extensive training. 8. Size and design asterisk. The compact design of the DS-530 is suitable for environments where space may be a concern. 9. Cost asterisk. The price of the DS-530 is competitive for the features it offers, providing good value for businesses with scanning requirements. Before making a purchase, it's advisable to check for the latest customer reviews and compare specifications with other scanners in a similar price range. Additionally, consider your specific scanning needs to ensure that the DS-530 meets your requirements.